It's sweet, it's smoky, and it's super delicious. This is sweet tea brine pork jerky, and we're gonna throw it down today on this handsome devil over here. This is the Camp Chef SG30 Wi-Fi pellet grill. Let's do this. Here's our sweet tea brine pork jerky. It's been sitting in the sweet tea brine for about 24 hours. This is about 3.5 to 4 pounds of pork loin, sliced thin, a little too thin in some spots. But anyway, all of the ingredients will be listed in the YouTube description for this video if you're interested. Now here's how the jerky looks all laid out on the Camp Chef pellet grill, utilizing both racks. A lot of great space there. Here's what our jerky looks like after about an hour. You can start to see it taking on that beautiful mahogany color. Now, a couple words about this Camp Chef pellet grill. This is the SG30 model. It's their mid-size model. There's a 24-inch and a 36-inch. This one I love so much. It's the perfect size for me. Ash clean out is great. It's so easy to clean this thing out with a little cup on the bottom of the grill where the ash falls. Smoke level, awesome. You can do different smoke levels. This is smoke level 6 out of 10. And you can see it's just consistent even at smoke level 6 and perfect for something like jerky, I've found. Camp Chef also has these sidekick attachments. This is a sear box which gets up to 900 degrees and just great for things like reverse searing. Now here's what our jerky looks like as we start to hit the finish line here. This is after about 2.5, 3 hours. Great color that's taken on. I sliced a little too thin, as I mentioned earlier. You can see the grill grates underneath some of those slices. That's a little too thin for me. But again, if you haven't tried jerky on the pellet grill, you really got to do it. I mean, look at this piece here. It's like perfect sort of consistency, perfect color, and as I found out later, the perfect flavor as well. So again, if you have a pellet grill, you haven't done jerky, you gotta do it. It's the best way to do jerky, and you'll probably save yourself a little bit of money too. So here's what our jerky looked like all finished. It was a really great unique flavor. I wouldn't say it tasted like iced tea or anything like that. It's just all the flavors combined were perfect for something like jerky, and especially pork. Nice, delicate, yet savory flavor for pork. Hey, if you like today's video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.